Well, shares of Tesla bouncing back just a bit today after that 12% drop we saw in the stock yesterday. The stock has declined more than 20% since CEO Elon Musk first disclosed his stake in Twitter. The social media giant agreed to sell to Musk on Monday, but he still faces some major legal hurdles to seal that roughly $44 billion deal. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Alexis Keenan, who's been looking at this. And Alexis, of course, yesterday I was watching that stock fall thinking, well, what exactly are the implications for this deal, given that Elon Musk has taken on a loan using Tesla stock as
right.
collateral.
So these two stocks essentially inextricably tied together for the time being until and if this deal closes. So I want to talk about some of the legal hurdles that are still in place, meaning this is not a done deal quite yet. So there are some factors that come to play here. You have the possibility that, of course, shareholders could just say no. Another possibility is that if you have a large enough group of shareholders, something around 10%, they could march into Chancery Court in Delaware, where Twitter is headquartered, and they could say, look, this share price doesn't agree with us. We think it should be higher. And you have to look back and say, you know, they might have a good argument because at one point, Twitter was trading north of $77 per share. They could make that argument if they come in large enough numbers. Another possibility that a lot of people have been talking about, regulatory concerns. You have the FTC, the FCC, as well as the SEC, all have to sign off on this deal. But that's probably not as big of a concern here, given that Elon Musk's other business enterprises aren't related to social media. Finally, you could have, despite the no shop clause that is contained in this deal, meaning Twitter cannot solicit other bids, you could nonetheless have another bid come in that competes with Elon Musk's, and that would have to be then considered by the board under their fiduciary duties.
Where do Tesla shareholders stand in all of this? I realize this is a deal between Elon Musk and Twitter. And yet I wonder, you know, if we continue to see the decline in the stock on the back of this deal, with concerns about everything from whether he can continue to maintain all these businesses and still perform at a high level, but also, you know, what this means for his holdings of Tesla. I mean, are we likely to see shareholders on that side start to bring some arguments against Musk, or is there no argument to be made?
I think it's a bit early. We don't know the full terms of the financing yet here. If we take a look, though, at the arbitrage spread right now, it's a quite wide one. You have Twitter trading around 48 and change a share, and this offer from Musk standing at 54.20 per share. That's a pretty wide range there. So certainly that is showing some doubt among investors. If you look at the way the financing is put together, you have so far what we know is Musk putting up $21 billion in equity financing. The source of that still unknown. Then another $25.5 billion committed in debt financing through Morgan Stanley with a group of Wall Street banks. Part of that $12.5 billion is a margin loan secured by Tesla stock. So will Elon Musk put up additional Tesla stock to make this deal go through? Perhaps, and if he does, that's where we're already seeing the implications on Tesla stock suffering a bit here, perhaps on those concerns.
There's another question that moves away from the specifics of the deal, and that is Twitter is one of those companies that have been under regulatory scrutiny from DC. If this deal goes through, Twitter becomes a private company. Do regulators back off?
You know, there have been some questions raised about whether Musk, as owner of Twitter, should be under higher scrutiny. You had one organization, a nonprofit, say that because he is controlling Starlink, that's a communications enterprise, and there should be some antitrust concerns there. Otherwise, those other companies, perhaps not so much of a concern with Neuralink, with Tesla, with Boring Company. Yeah, so those aren't quite close enough. But look, there could be tougher scrutiny on Musk, especially from the SEC, just given how much he has tussled with them. He has ongoing litigation with the SEC with regard to his tweets. So we have a lot of interconnecting concerns here that might rattle investors on both sides, both on Tesla and Twitter as well.
I guess there's some irony in that he got into a tussle with the SEC because of what he posted on Twitter. Now he owns the platform.
Say what he wants.
A lot more to flesh out. Thanks so much for that.